morning. I expect you here. Since you're here, welcome. It's JH, and as you can tell, I'm in the kitchen again. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today's Easter. This is the day that Christ has risen. For those who believe, happy Easter. For those who don't, it's Sunday. Alright? But, as you know what I'm doing, that pure Colombian blend with that light brown sugar always gets my day started. I love it so much. Thought you had me. Not this time. Delicious. You need to try it. So, what are we going to be cooking today for breakfast? We're going to do some pancakes. We're going to do some eggs. I'll probably do some shrimp and cheese on top of that. You know what I mean? Just to kind of freak it up a little bit. And then we're going to have some fresh turkey sausage along with that. Along with some of this coffee. So it's going to be good. It's going to be quick. Ain't going to really hold you up with a whole bunch of conversation. I just want to cook and eat. So that's what it's going to be. Take care of yourselves. Wash your hands. Wash your butt. And I'm glad your ass got out of bed to bang with your boy this morning. So without further ado, let's get to this food. Alright, so this is my pancake mix. It ain't nothing special. A little biscuit, a little brown sugar, a couple drops of vanilla extract in there. Got an egg in there. Throw a half a cup of milk in there, and then there that go. I normally use Ain't Jemima, but Ain't Jemima was nowhere to be found. Scripts. Putting that on the eggs. Eggs. It's turkey sausage. Alright. Word up. And since it's a special day, quick pause in the video. Special day. You know, celebrating, giving a little thanks and things of that nature. So it's only right that I take a celebratory shot. I don't give a damn what time it is of the day. We celebrating, baby. Alright? So we're going to do a celebratory shot. And this shot also goes out to the doers. Remember, I'm all about them doers, man. I like people who do. Because I want to be a doer. So you got to do things to be considered a doer. Ain't that how that works? So this shot is to you, the doers. This shot is to you, the links. This shot is to you. This shot is to me. I just had a moment. Alright, let's get to this cooking. Alright, so this is everything. Got my pots ready. They're ready to go. This is feta cheese right here. Feta cheese. Let's go with the eggs. Let's go with the shrimp. All that's going in there. Turkey sausage, that's going in there. Pancake batter, just resting. It's going in there. And then that's going to be the breakfast. That's going to be the setup. That's going to be Easter Sunday's breakfast.